Hello, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2020 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This is the smallest boat in the Scout lineup, but really has a lot of features that a lot of bigger boats would have. Starting at the motor, 90 horsepower Yamaha, very efficient, quiet, smooth, and really known for reliability. Ski tow bar, great option to have, pull the kids on the inner tube, water ski, wakeboard, whatever you name it. As you move into the cockpit here, you're going to see you actually have seating for 6 in here, but there's quite a bit of space to stretch out. Storage in underneath all the seats. On the helm, you get the nice steering wheel, binnacle, all the Yamaha gauges, very easy, simple to use. We do have the bimini top on here, folded up, covers about half the boat. As we move forward, you can see these are some great seats facing forward in front of the helm. So if you are putting 4 people in here, you have nice space, easy to lounge out. All the way forward, nice sun pad. You want to get out, catch some rays, you can certainly do that. This is the smallest boat, as I mentioned, that Scout makes, but really has some of the features that you're going to find in the bigger boats. Nice stainless steel bow rail, pop-up cleats, LED lighting, really everything you'd expect from the Scout build hall. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to get you on the water on this one.